Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna go over the pose maker here, and this is our cool little widget that it's probably one of my favorites because you get most creative with it. All of our widgets are pretty cool, but this one, as you're gonna see, is pretty much mind-blowing when you get to see what it could do. And so as it is titled Pose Maker, it basically makes pose, and you can do it in 3 different ways. There's a lot more that we'll add, but these are the 3 that we wanted to start off with. It's just a normal, scribble, and stick. Okay, so normal is you'll upload an image and then you'll tell the prompt what you want that image to be converted into, and it'll convert it into that, basically taking the same look of the outline of the main image and converting that. Okay, and I'll show you that in a minute. Scribble is going to do a little bit different. Scribble is not going to take an image and then transfer that image into something else or convert it into something else. Scribble is actually going to take an outline. Imagine like a coloring page out of a coloring book, right? And it's just an outline. Well, if you upload that outline or just a hand-drawn scribble, you could tell the AI what to convert that into, and it'll take that scribble and turn it into a stunning image. We'll show you that here in a second. And then there's stick, and you notice when I click on stick, there's this little button that drops here, view stick models. And if you click on that, it'll download a zip file full of stick models. And we'll come up with another way for you guys to create your own models. But those stick models are going to be poses, and you'll be able to pose your characters in those in the fashion of those sticks. Okay, so I'll show you all 3 of these here in a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab an image that I have over here on my computer, and I'm just going to drag it over here. And we'll just start off with this one. This is just a little vector of this little dragon-looking character sitting on some clouds. And let's say we want to turn that into a cute kitten sitting on clouds. We'll go ahead and type that in, and we have normal. It's just going to take that image, and it's just going to transfer it over into the cute kitten sitting on clouds. Now I'm going to go ahead and click Create Image, and we'll see what it does. And check it out here. We have our little kitten over here. It's actually kind of cute. He's looks just like the dragon, but he's on the clouds. He's got the same body. But he's got a kitten face, and he's changed some colors. I really like that. Let's put down here in the negative prompt. Let's put dull colors, and then let's put colorful maybe right in front of cute kitten. So colorful, cute kitten sitting on clouds. Let's go ahead and create image again. All right, there he is again. And if you notice here, the outline of this cloud right here, the outline of basically the entire image, the entire subject of the image, is the same outline that we initially had here. See how the nose of that dragon is like this little ball thing over here on the kitten? And the front of the face of the dragon right here, I guess the left side of the face is the front of the kitten. It took the same image and just kind of morphed it. And I could mess with these dials. Let's just do this. I'm going to bring it all the way up and give the text prompt a lot of strength. We're going to show you what that looks like when I create image again. All right, so with a stronger text prompt, it looks like it changed it up a little bit, changed the texture a little bit, made it a little bit softer maybe. Other than that, it didn't do a whole lot. Let's bring it down, because I think what we want to do is keep the original look of this, that just really colorful pop. And so we'll bring this down to maybe like a 7.5, somewhere around there. Keep it kind of low and generate another image. And boom, there's my image, my final output. And this one, the cat, you can see his face isn't all there. Things are kind of distorted here. It's because we went really low. We brought this down, and so the colorful cute kitten stuff, it's not really catching that. We'd have to bring that all the way up to get the kitten face in there like we really want it to look good. Okay, so that's just one example. Let me grab another image here. I'm just going to grab a real image. This one has a transparent background. You don't need a transparent background. But let's go ahead and let's just call this one Horse Dragon. Matter of fact, let's come back over here. Realistic Horse Dragon. HD 4K, maybe give it some good high definition thing. Let's get rid of that negative prompt there. We're going to leave it on normal because we're going to use the same image, and let's go ahead and create image. Boom, check them out. That is actually really creepy looking, a little scary. I don't know what to think of that. Let's go ahead and just type in snow and white and fog. Let's get rid of those out of here, and let's go ahead and realistic horse dragon 4K. Let's try to get it a little bit more real. Put ZBrush. ZBrush is a real, realistic 3D modeler. We'll put Unreal Engine in there. Let's go ahead and hit Create Image. All right, check him out. There's some colors in there. There's some glows. He does look a little bit more realistic. I mean, it's got the 3D modeling look in there. He's a little weird looking. But I mean, what is a dragon horse really anyways? I mean, it really doesn't know what to make. And that front on face, I mean, that's ugly. I mean, I guess that's what you would expect a dragon horse to look like. Let's go ahead and keep that there. But let's switch gears now. Let's go ahead and come over here. And let's pick this coloring book model of that horse right there. There's just a little coloring page. And I'm going to use that same one. But remember, we want to go to Scribble for this one. We'll go over to Scribble. We got the coloring book. We'll leave the prompt the same and go ahead and click Create Image. All right, check him out over there. That's our dragon horse. Okay, he's looking good. He's like a nice model. That's actually what a ZBrush rendering would look like. I want to get rid of the ZBrush and maybe the Unreal Engine and maybe put colorful here in the front, in front of realistic. Colorful, realistic horse, dragon. And let's go ahead and hit Create Image again. All right, check him out. Let's view this image again. Oh, wow, he's got the scales in there. He's got some color. He's got some fire. Nice looking image there. Really simple graphics. I mean, we could upscale that and get better quality. But for right now, I think that's a great image starting from that coloring book. I mean, you can't get any better than that. Like we started off with just a straight up lines and came up with this high definition horse here out on a battlefield. He's got the rainbows going on and he's magical. Pretty cool stuff there. All right, let's do the last one. Let's go to stick. And again, notice when we click on stick, there's these little models that pop up. We're going to go ahead and download them. I already have them downloaded. So I'm going to just grab one off of my computer. And I don't know what any of these are. I'm just going to go ahead and grab any of them. Maybe like this flexing one and just drag that over here. Let's have a look and see what that is. Okay, exactly what it's supposed to be, a guy flexing. Let's get rid of the realistic horse dragon, realistic dragon man. Let's make him a dragon man HD 4K. Let's go ahead and click Create Image. Okay, check him out. He's up there. He's a dragon man. He's got his arms up. Oh, look at the detail of his skin. I mean, that's a real dragon man. He's got his tail back there. I mean, that is really, really cool. I mean, I thought that was perfect. Let's go ahead and let's take that same pose, though, and let's leave everything else, the man HD and 4K, and let's change it to cowboy on ranch, and actually get rid of the man HD. And let's just go ahead and cowboy on ranch. Let's see what we convert now, or convert this little pose into now. We had a dragon man, but let's see what he converts into as a cowboy on a ranch. Watch this. All right, check it out. Look at him up there with his ranch. He's got his little horses, and wow, this is a pretty cool image. This was a pretty cool shot for the first one that came out. He's just up there hanging out, and I mean, the pose is exactly right on to, he's up here flexing, exactly what we wanted. How about we get rid of cowboy, and let's go cowgirl. Cowgirl. Matter of fact, let's be a little bit more specific. And let's go Mexican señorita cowgirl. I don't know if it'll get this. This is a little off. This is a little stretch right here. Let's see what it comes up with. I'm going to go ahead and hit Create Image. All right, our image is here. Check it out. All right, look at that. We have our girl right here in front of our horses, and it's funny. She's got her Latina dress on as she's going to go perform. I mean, it's right on exactly. I mean, there's some little weird stuff going on here with the horses and whatnot, but ultimately, it was exactly what I told it to do. It gave me the pose. She's in the pose that she's supposed to be in. The prompt exactly. It's Mexican señorita cowgirl on a ranch. I mean, it's exactly what we wanted. And you can see we did this just a matter of a few minutes. We could keep playing with these prompts. You could add in your negative prompts, your positive prompts. Eventually, we're going to use this for print on demand, and that's where we're going with this, is that you'll actually be able to upload another image, which will be your design. And so you'll have the pose, and you'll say, put this this guy, in a cafe, whatever, and he's going to be wearing the design on his shirt. That's what we're going to go with this. But for right now, we just want you guys to have the pose maker so you can start playing with it, start getting familiar with how to create poses, create people, create animals, create creatures, create whatever you want, and put them into the pose that you want using this pose maker. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope to see you in the next video. I want to see what you guys create. Share it with us. All right, check you out later.